Hey loves, I'm back with another video, and as you can see, my hair is in some major need of TLC. I'm using Mielle's Babassu shampoo and conditioner to not only cleanse my hair, but also restore protein and moisture to my dry hair. For best results, I recommend that you leave the deep conditioner on for 15 to 20 minutes, either under a hair steamer or you can use a shower cap. Once the time is up, I rinse out the conditioner with cool water and then apply the leave-in conditioner and moisturizing hair milk on top of that. Now this step requires lots of patience. You want to make sure that the product is worked through your hair and it's evenly distributed, so make sure it's brushed out. I'm starting from the ends of my hair because this just guarantees me a nice, smooth, frizz-free curl, and that's what I'm going for. So I'm slowly wrapping the ends of my hair around the perm rod, and I'm just going to keep on wrapping all the way up until I reach the top, and I'm just going to snap it right in place. Installing the rods is pretty simple. It's really all in the wrist. While keeping the strand of hair still, I'm using my wrist to kind of twist the rod around the hair. If you're a beginner, really take your time installing these rods. I guarantee you by the 5th or 6th one, it should come second nature to you.
And it wouldn't be a party without you to play.
And I wish I knew it was love, 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 love. I know, she heard that me, love for me. And I wish I knew it was love, love,
These products literally surpassed all my expectations. My hair looks so bomb. It came out so soft, so moisturized and fluffy, and I'm just so in love with the results. You can now find all these products on the shelves at Walmart, so do yourself a favor or do your hair a favor and live better by purchasing these products at your local Walmart.